Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm here today with another quick card. And today we're going to be using one of the Celebration freebies, this Peaceful Prints paper, designer series paper, that is free with a £45 purchase. And I've picked out this print, actually that one, there we go, but the one with the snowflakes on, because the other item that we're using today is these Wonderful Snowflakes. These are my pick of the week this week, the product that I'm using throughout the week, and these are part of the Whimsy and Wonder suite, and this is an iridescent white, not just a plain white. I've already pressed one out, but I thought I'll just show you. You just need to take care to gently pull these out of the sheet, like that. And then you've got your snowflake that you can use on whatever project. So, and we'll be using these throughout the week, as I say. So what I've also got is some brushed metallic gold for my card. What I wanted to show you here, in the Peaceful Prints paper pack, let me get that. We've got a variety of colours, and on the back of your pack it will tell you. So we've got basic black, cherry cobbler, garden green, real red and Sahara sand in this colour pack. So what I did was just create a card front. This is the real red and this is the cherry cobbler. And personally I think that this just goes better with the real red than with the cherry cobbler. But you could choose a different pattern of paper, or you could still go with cherry cobbler. I'm going with real red for my base. And I've already cut out my card front in real red, and that's just a scrap. Let's move that out of the way. And I've cut a card front layer of the brushed metallic and a slightly smaller 1/4 inch all round of the Peaceful Prints paper. I've cut a square. This is 2 3/4 inches by 2 3/4 inches. That's going to carry our snowflake. And then I've got a piece of basic white, which is 2 3/4 by 3 3/4, which just leaves room at the base for us to stamp a sentiment. And for my sentiment, I'm actually using the Season's Greetings Out of the Merriest Moments pack. So, and I've just realised, now I have got my real red ink pad. I was worried that I've not got that then. So I've got my Season's Greetings, and now I really want a foam pad to stamp onto, and I can't find that. Here we are. Because I'm using photo polymer, and what I'm going to do is stamp the greeting at the base of this card first. That way, if there's anything goes wrong, I can flip the card over. So I prefer to stand to try and make sure that I've got my greeting straight. And there we've got, and that's, as you see, I've made a mistake. I've not got that even. So we'll flip that over. Yeah, I'm going to flip it over. I could possibly get away with, and this is why I do it this way around, I could possibly pop that over, but I wanted to go a little bit closer to the edge, so I'm going to turn it over. So let's try that again. Make sure I've got that as straight as I can. I don't want to rock it, but I do want to make sure that that's better, a lot better. And I'm also going to be using the brushed metallic dots for this project. I'm going to just set that aside now to dry. for a few seconds while we assemble the rest of the card. Now you'll see me on some other videos, I'll sometimes cut something out of this so that I'm not wasting all of this brushed metallic. I'm not actually going to do that today, but what I would say is cut it out underneath where this panel is going to be, so that if there is any unevenness, that's going to disguise it. You put the sentiment panel will disguise it. So I'll use my Tombow just because I need to refill my seal. So like I say, we've already got these layers pre-cut, so I just need to adhere them together like this. So the snowflakes come in a pack, I think it's of 24. I'll just double check that in a second. And I should probably just scooch that a little bit further over that way. That's that. And I'm going to just adhere the snowflake. So we've got an iridescent side and we've got a plain white side. So I'm putting the adhesive on the plain white side and I'm just going to stick it in the centre. So I'm not going to worry about the arms of the snowflakes moving around at all. And that then is going onto our greetings panel. Trying not to move my snowflake in the process. And you can decide whether you want your snowflake sort of that way up or that way up. I prefer it with the arms going vertical myself, but that's just personal choice. And then I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals on my card front. So we'll pop some dimensionals around like that. And like I say, this is real red that I've used here, but you could equally go with cherry cobbler. And I'm just getting this lined up with an even border, pretty much even border top and sides. And then I'm just going to finish off with one of these brushed gold dots. You don't have to use this, but it's just to tie together with the brushed gold in the background there, and you might sometimes get little bits of the snowflakes that haven't come out all together. So if you do that, I've just got a flake of roughness of the real red there, and that is our quick card for today. So like I say, that's using our Wonderful Snowflakes, and I'm just finding my pack of those to double check. 24 in a pack. So, and like I say, I'm using these all week, so please pop back to see other projects using the snowflakes as the week goes on. So if you enjoy this quick card and the quick tips that I provide on Fridays, please subscribe below, and I'll be back with a quick tip on Friday. Thank you for stopping by.